For this homemade spray gel, I'll be using the following ingredients. I'll be using aloe vera gel, which has been measured here. I'll be using essential oil. Use any essential oil of choice. I'm using lavender essential oil, then gelatin, and then warm water. Then, so if you want to know how to, if you want to get the specific ingredients, it's on the Midex Formulation community group, and it is free. So just check the link and the caption to join the community. That's all. We have a lot of free recipes there that I've not even made it to YouTube yet. So the first thing is, I'll pour the water here. I'm going to be using this whisk, and I'll show you when I'm going to use it. I'll pour the water here, then I'll take a spoon of gelatin, 1 teaspoon of gelatin, and I'm going to sprinkle it inside the water. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk it for a while till I'm sure it is that mixed. I'm going to mix it for you. If you don't have a whisk, you just mix it very well. That's the point. You just mix it very, very well. Look at it. It's already, it has mixed well. So look at it. You can see that it has mixed very well. I left it for a while so that the foam will just settle, and look at it. It has mixed very well. The bubbles will settle. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the aloe vera gel, and I would also whisk that. I add my aloe vera gel and few drops of essential oil. I'm using lavender essential oil. It smells, I really like the smell, though the smell might actually be really strong for some people, and then or because of the benefits for the, so you can decide to add a different essential oil depending on what you want it to do to your hair. So I'm going to also look at it. It really looks so nice. I love that smell. Yeah, it mixed well, and I'm going to pour it into my spray bottle. As I said, the recipe is on the Midex Formulation community group, Telegram group. So if you would love to get the recipe, just check the link in the caption. It's free. And this is the homemade spray gel, so you can see I just made very little to preserve. You can keep it in your fridge for a few days, and if you want it to last longer, you can add preservative, or you can just preserve in your fridge for a few days. Yeah, so that is it, and I'm going to use it, then I will show you. So this gel is actually very nice. It can help with it can help to pop up your curls, you know. It can also help with hydration and all that because of the aloe vera gel, and yeah, it's really nice. You can also decide to add other things in this spray. So yeah, and that is. So here's how to use the spray. Today is my wash day. I've not actually washed my hair, but when you want to use the spray, when you want to go out and all that, so just actually apply the treatment on front of my head. So you just spray it. Just spray it on your hair, right? That's it. That's all. It's very simple. Just spray it on your hair. And that's all. And you can also use with other products, right? Just the way you use your gel. So, but this one is just easier. It's a spray gel, yeah. It actually smells really nice because of the essential oil. So that's it. Just spray on your hair and ouch, and you're good to go. Just spray on your hair and you're good to go. That's it. So enjoy this gel, try it out and let me know. You can also decide to add other ingredients in your spray gel. There are other ingredients that you can actually add that will actually make it very, very nice. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned from it, and I hope you're going to try it out. I have a lot of other videos that I'm going to be sharing on this channel, so if you're going to subscribe to Midex Formulation School, and also follow me on Instagram at Midex_Formulation School. If you would like to join my Telegram channel, that is my community, it's free. Check the link in the caption. And if you also love to take your hair products formulation to a higher level, like you want to learn how to formulate hair care products like a pro, then you should send me a DM or check the link in the caption. So I also added a link to my formulation course. Yeah, so see you in my next video. Bye.